One thing I like is that this saw includes a bar. Toolkit, check this out, everybody. This saw doesn't come with one chain, it comes with two. They are full chisel chains. I can tell you right now, the plastics on this feel very good. The color's good. The fit and finish appears to be pretty good. I'm not feeling anything real rough. That's a win. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the Proyama PCS 26. You got your oil and fuel. Shows 40-1. That's nice because that's what I'm gonna run it on, 40-1. We've got our place to hook our lanyard, outboard clutch. So let's take a look here at the airbox. Okay, we've got a typical, okay, there's foam in there, that's cool. I like that. Spark plug there, our choke lever. So we've got nice full chisel cutters, that's always welcome. One thing I love to see is I like to see the gauge there for the angle. That helps me out a lot as I file. So there we are. We got a good side chain tensioner. That's nice. That's pretty nice. I like that. This all feels nice. Make sure we're not binding up. As with all chainsaws. Now, this is the one thing I absolutely love. Double bar nuts. I love that. My last one had a single nut. It worked okay, but I just like this better. It makes sense to me. So we're going to go ahead and rest it like we do on everything. Let's see how this feels. Okay, good. Awesome. This actually might be specific to this saw. It looks pretty small, huh? I was thinking about if you had a saw for like a truck saw or something like this could be worthwhile if you're going to put it in the trunk of a vehicle or in the back of a truck. Let's see how this fits in here. Look at that. See how this fits. Guys, I think that's pretty cool. Take some 40-1. Make sure we get it in the fuel side. I think we're gonna just stop it there. Bar. Take a look here. I think I'm pretty impressed with the performance of that, guys. For the price of this saw, if you're needing a top handle, I don't see a reason not to go with this. With two chains, the build quality feels good. Easy. I'm going to be using this. You're going to see this used anytime I'm climbing, and I might pull it out here and there when I'm not climbing, because it might just be a nice handy saw. Let's go ahead and try this one more time. Easy to start. It's easy. Up in the tree, I could have this off of a lanyard, pick it up. I don't have to keep it running because it's going to start easy.